fix YouTube TV black screen. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you if you are facing an issue regarding black screen in your YouTube TV account and how you will be able to fix that. So first of all, just simply open your YouTube TV account, and if you see black screen problem in your YouTube TV account which is persisted, so all you have to do is just simply open your YouTube settings, and from there just simply check whether you have the problem for quite a long period of time or not. And in order to fix that, you need to first see and restart your device. So if you're using your mobile device or you're using your web version of the YouTube TV in your YouTube TV account, just simply restart your device, and when you open the YouTube TV again, it should solve your problem instantly regarding the black screen error. And you should also check your internet connection. Sometimes what happens is when your internet connection is low, you won't be able to play your 4K and 2K videos quite easily, and it starts with the black screen, and that is why you need to check your internet connection and the speed of your internet as well. And if there is a problem in your internet connection, just restart your router and log into your account again and open your YouTube TV account again. And you can also try re-logging into your YouTube TV account, because sometimes what happens is when you open your YouTube TV account for a longer period of time, it gets redundant, and then you have to re-log in to your YouTube TV account in order for it to work quite easily. You can also update your software if your YouTube TV, if you're using your YouTube TV app in your mobile device or in the laptop or your computer, you can update the latest version of the YouTube TV. And if you follow all these steps, your YouTube TV black screen problem should be fixed. So this is basically how you will be able to fix YouTube TV black screen. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.